Instead of throwing away kitchen scraps, turn them into a natural fertilizer that will strengthen your garden. It's not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to reduce waste. Potato peels contain potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, minerals that support healthy plant growth, improve soil structure, and boost yields. With their help, plants grow better, become more resistant to diseases, and produce more. This natural fertilizer is perfect for organic gardening. To make it, pour hot water over the peels in a ratio of about 1:10. Let it cool, then strain. Water your plants with the liquid every 3 weeks. Regular use improves soil quality and strengthens the root system. You'll notice results after just a few uses. The soil becomes richer and the plants grow fuller and greener. This homemade fertilizer works great in vegetable and fruit gardens, as well as on allotments or balconies.